Hey guys, so part 2, day number 5. We still have the front bumper lift, side skirts, and the one of the side panels. So we're gonna head today to try to knock them down all. I believe that I still have a lot of things to do, but I'll try to put much effort today on the car. So hopefully I could do everything. If not, then we need to make the day 6. So tomorrow, which is the Saturday, I'll try to knock it down if it didn't happen today. But yeah, before that we're gonna go to grab some food because I'm already starving and I just need like a lot of protein, a lot of food. I have been doing a lot of work for the past 4 days. Yeah, so I grabbed some food. Car is super dirty, don't look at it. But now we are heading to the garage to start the work. It's a bit late today. We should have started a bit earlier, but like, well, I was tired and I was sleeping a bit longer today. So officially we are in the garage now. Let's start work on the bumper. So just like that, the front bumper have been rubbed. We have only this problem here, but I think never mind because we're gonna cover it with the registration plate, so anyway it will be covered. We still have the front lip, we're gonna install it now, the M performance lip. But yeah, almost the car is done now. It has been just like hours and hours to work on this bumper, so it's really difficult. But let us undo it now and see how it will look. Look at that, it will be so great, I promise. Just like that guys, the front end has been completely done and I think it's just so awesome and aggressive. So guys, day 6 yesterday we did only the front bumper and we installed the front lip. But actually today in the way to the garage something bad happened, which is the front lip have been flied because of the rain and the wind. Unfortunately I didn't secure it with some screws. I used only the tape for it, but you know, it is what it is and I'm just gonna order a new one and install it properly this time. Yeah, so today we can work on the side skirt and one of the panels. And just like that, one of the side skirts have been done. Look to this skirt, looks so good. screws have been done now. So the only part which left is the panel. This panel, it's very difficult to do alone, but I will try to manage it because on the other side I had my friend with me who was helping me with it. But today I'm alone and I still have only this panel with this, so I'll try to do it alone and let's see how it will be. But probably I'll do it good. Just like that, the car fully wrapped and up to the roof. I was waiting the poll and everyone voted for the black, so I'm gonna order the black. But basically everything is done and it just looks gorgeous. After having a shower, nice dinner, so the F10 is chilling outside. Finally the wrap is done. They voted for the black, so I'm gonna order the black tomorrow and I'm gonna wait it. It's take almost 2 weeks to arrive. But yeah guys, if you enjoy the content, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and always remember to drive safe. I catch you guys in the next video.